The Galaxy Z Fold 6 gets terribly dirty. Most phones get terribly dirty and fingerprinty and smudgy and just gross looking. And you're probably wondering how you can clean it without dunking the thing in water. If you keep the screen protector on, it gets even more smudgy. And I've taken my screen protector off, but I still want to show you what I use to clean my device. Usually I use Screen Mom, but I've switched it up this year because I have a bunch of these and I know they are safe to use with your phone and basically any other electronic device. And they're like $10 and you get a ton of them. So I use these Zeiss lens wipes. Comes in a pack of 200. It's about 10 or 11 bucks on Amazon. I'll link it down below. Very, very good. Very easy to use. They're already pre-moistened. They come in 200, like I said, they're good. They show you here, camera lenses and cameras, binoculars, glasses, but you can also use them on phones. And I'm gonna show you. Here's what they look like inside, which is basically 200 of these single packed, pre-moistened lens wipers, or screen cleaners, whatever you want to call them. They work on phones, like I said. I've had these ones for a while, so they last a really long time too. So all you're gonna do is just rip it off across the top here, take it out, undo it, nice and wet. That's what she said. And you can see hopefully you can see my phone is super dirty. And all you're gonna do is just wipe it. Let me turn the screen off just while I do this so that you can definitely see the nastiness getting wiped off, but you could theoretically leave your screen on. I just want to show you how good of a job. And you can use this all the way around your phone. I'm literally just wiping it like this. And your screen is going to get so much cleaner. You can use this on anything that you want. Glasses, like it showed you. I use it on my lenses for my cameras. You can use it on screens. It's not going to scratch the screen. Dude, this is so much cleaner. It's ridiculous how much cleaner this is. I don't even know if you can tell. And some people are going to be like, I just see it's like some water and blah, blah, blah. And you can do whatever you want. I'm just showing you what I use. And it's terribly inexpensive. Wipe it on the lenses. And you could already, at this point, you could just get a new one if you wanted, but it's still a little moist. That's what she said. And it just does an amazing job. Get the front display. Get this thing's clean because these phones get so nasty, especially on the display. Now, this doesn't have any antibacterial stuff built into it. So if you have to have that, go crazy. But, this is really just going to be to clean your device. Safe for your electronics. It doesn't fog up or get the displays smudgy. Look at that. Like, this does such a good job. Such a good job. Might even be able to use a second one on this front display. It's clean, actually, yeah. Just trying to really get in there and get everything out. And it doesn't leave any lint. I don't really see any lint. I'm just taking a closer look. Maybe you can see. You guys can see better than I can sometimes. Just a fantastic job. These things are amazing. I used one. Now, I have to admit, this is pretty dry at this point. So if I wanted to continually clean it, I probably would open a second one. But I really don't need to. This thing looks amazing. It looks really clean. I used it on the whole phone. I didn't really use it at the bottom here, but the bottom isn't really that dirty. Yeah, I just used it on the displays. But you could use it all the way around on this phone. I love these things. I've had them for a while. I got them. I didn't even get them for phones usage, really. I got them for using them on my lenses because I wanted to clean like my lenses on my Panasonic GH5 that I use for like my talking head pieces. But you can use these literally on anything that's basically an electronic device that has a display or, anything. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Streak-free, no scratches, fast drying, plastic-free wipe. What else does this say? Using the fold, wipe gently, lightly unfold the wipe and clean the surface until circular motions. Dries in seconds. It's right, you saw it's not wet at all. So very cool stuff. Definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.